I'm going to show you the surprising change that takes place when you take the traditional arm position when holding a plank and use another position instead. And more importantly, I'm going to show you why it matters. And if you stick around long enough, I've got a simple little bonus tip here that will really take things to another level. So assuming you're someone who enjoys challenging themselves when working out and getting the most out of each and every exercise you perform, what I'm about to show you here packs a surprising little punch that you can keep in your back pocket for your next workout. So the most common arm position when holding a plank or planking tends to be with the hands very close together or even with the hands grasping one another. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, just to be clear. But something that's quite beneficial for most people takes place when you rotate your arms outwards and hold your plank while keeping your forearms parallel to one another. All right, what exactly does this do and why does it matter? Supporting your body weight with your arms held in this outwardly rotated position creates a substantial challenge or stimulus for a few muscles that are critical for maintaining shoulder health and even assisting with our posture. Particularly, we're talking about the infraspinatus and the teres minor, which are two of your rotator cuff muscles that are responsible for creating this external rotation movement that our shoulders can produce. And the health of these muscles matters since these external rotator muscles are often quite weak, dysfunctional, and just overall understimulated throughout our daily lives. This in turn can lead to incredibly annoying and stubborn aches and pains that can really interfere with our physical activities and even our daily living. Ultimately, hold your plank however you want. It's not that this is a magical plank variation that renders all other planks useless, but it is a plank that lights up the external rotator muscles of your shoulders while you challenge your core. Basically, it packs a really beneficial 1-2 punch for those who want to maintain or improve their shoulder health while doing the same with their core as well. And this can pay substantial dividends with preventing shoulder aches and pains that often arise when the rotator cuff muscles aren't as strong and as healthy as they need to be. Now, if you're looking to kick things up a bit more, you can try taking a fitness band and looping it around your wrists and keeping tension on the band as you hold your plank. This tension of the band will pull your shoulders inwards, forcing your external rotators to work even harder as you hold the plank position. With enough tension on the band, your shoulders will likely be on fire in a matter of moments as they fight like crazy to hold their position. So if it's appropriate for you, give it a shot. It's always a nice feeling to build a bulletproof set of shoulders while doing the same with your core as well. Now, if you found this little tip to be beneficial, a simple like on this video really would mean a lot to me, and you're always welcome to check out my other content on my other platforms as well. If you like content focused on learning about simple and practical ways you can get rid of aches and pains while building a stronger life in the process. Speaking of which, this video right here will show you another cool technique that can help you get some surprising benefits out of another common exercise with just a few minor and very simple tweaks. And in the meantime, keep making great things happen.